Hey everyone, you are on the Proxy-Seller channel. My name is Max. In today's tutorial, I'll guide you through setting up a proxy using the Avant Browser. Let's get started. Launch the browser and click on the menu on the right side of the interface. Hover over the Proxy section and click on the Customize button to access additional options. In the new window, enter the proxy IP address and HTTP port. If using a free proxy, no username or password is required. For a private proxy, fill in the authorization details below. Click the Add button, then save your settings by clicking on the Apply. To activate the proxy, open the browser menu again. Select the Proxy section and choose the proxy server you added. That's it. Proxy setup in Avant Browser is complete. Remember, free proxies pose security risks and lack reliable anonymity, often leading to blocks. For secure and private online experiences, turn to our company, Proxy-Seller. We offer 100% anonymity and top-notch security. Our selection caters to various needs, supported by 24/7 assistance. Check the description for a 10% discount code and a link to our site. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Turn on the notifications by clicking on the bell and hit the like button. That's all for now. See you guys in the next video.